I know you're looking for a fast way to remember your revision, but rather than piecing together ideas from various videos, we have a course that will show you how to remember your revision in a fun and creative way. A comprehensive online course that shows you how to remember lists, formulas, numbers and information which you'll be able to recall at will. Revising even becomes fun as you turn important data into movies in your imagination. This video course shows you step by step the process so you can transform your mind into a movie theatre filled with films, each one containing your revision subjects. No more long sessions of repetition to force your brain to remember stuff. After a short while, you'll be transforming your textbooks into fun movies. Every time you play back a movie in your mind, you'll unlock all the information you stored. Find out more at magicmindmovies.com.